everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. So today I am going to show you how I made this beautiful apron. It is a very quick project that you can make, and your little ones can also make it. Alright, so guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, put down your comments, like, ask your questions, and I will attend to all of them. Okay guys, let's get to it. So guys, in order to make this apron, this is the fabric that I'll be using. All right, the length of my fabric is 34 inches. I'll be using 2 inches to hem the bottom. All right, and I'll be using 1 inch at the top. So at the end of the day, I'll be having 31 inches for the length. So the average length of an apron is about 30 to 35 inches. It depends on how long you want it to be. Okay, so the width, looking at this, I've folded it into 2. So the width of my fabric is 24 inches. That is my hips divided by 2 plus 4 inches extra. All right, and that is about the average width for an apron as well. Okay, for an average size person. But if you're on the big side, you can use like your hips divided by 2 plus 6 to 8 inches. So this is 24 inches wide. All right, so I folded it into 2. Now I have 12 inches by 34 inches. Okay, so the first thing that I'll be doing is this. You know, I told you I'll be using 1 inch to hem it at the top, right, to turn it in. So I'm going to mark 1 inch first. So after marking the 1 inch, from here I'm going to measure in 5 inches plus 1 inch for the seam allowance. So that will be 6. All right, but if you're on the big side, you can measure in about 6 inches or 7 inches. All right, and then you had 1 inch extra for sewing. Right from this line, I'm going to measure 12 inches downward. Okay, so now I'm going to connect this line to this line. Okay, so for the bottom, it depends on whatever design you want to make from it. All right, you can leave it just as it is, or you can curve it this way. You can curve the bottom this way. All right, I think I want to do it this way and just curve it like this. So that is all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut this out. First, let me start from the bottom. And then I'm going to cut this part out as well. This side actually depends on whatever shape you want. Okay, some people do it this way. You can just make it straight like this. It depends on you. All right, but I prefer it this way. All right. So I can notch here, which is the part I'm going to fold, and our apron is set. This is what it looks like. The next thing we're going to do is the strap for the neckline and then the belt. Okay, so I cut out these pieces of fabric. The length is 25, and the width is 2.5 inches. So I'll be using this, one of these for the neck. So it is going to be this way. I hope you understand. And then this, each of these will be for the belt on both sides. So in order to sew it, what you're going to do is this. You're going to start from the sides. All right, so you're going to fold it 2 times. Fold it 2 times, and then you sew on it. You sew on it very neatly, round. Okay, round to the other side. All right, so after doing that, you're going to fold this as well. Fold this 2 times, and then you finish it here. You do this side as well. So after sewing this side, then you're going to fold this. You know, we left 1 inch here. You're going to fold this 2 times as well, and then you finish the top. Okay, but for the belt, for the up on the neck. You're going to fold it 1, 2, then you fold it on each other this way. All right, then you can iron it, and then you sew straight down. Okay, so do this, what I just showed you, do this for the 3. Okay, the 3 straps, and then I'm going to show you how to join it to the apron, to the body of the apron. So now on the main body of the apron, I'm going to place it here, just this way. If you want the strap to show on the outside, if you want it to be visible, okay, you just place it on the right side like this. This is the right side of my apron, this is the wrong side. You place it on the right side, and then you pin it, and then you sew it down. Okay, you can sew it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want it to be on the inside, right, if you don't want the strap to show, that is the beginning of the strap actually, you place it on the wrong side and then pin it and sew. All right, so it's either way. If you want it to be on the right side, fine. If you want it to be on the wrong side, fine. Okay, so you place it this way. So for the belt, if you want it to be on the right side, fine. If you want it to be on the wrong side, it's fine as well. So you place it here. Let's assume I want it to be on the wrong side. Okay, pin it down, and then you sew it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the other side too. Anywhere you want it to be, outside or inside, just place it, and then you sew it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you see, it is very, very easy. So if you want your pocket, for example, let's assume this paper is going to be my pocket. Just place it somewhere here. It depends on how wide you want the pocket to be. If you want 2 pockets, you can place one here and place one here. All right, so for the pocket, you're just going to sew it this way, 1, 2, 3. So you leave this part open where you can put your hands, right? But if you want it to be a wide pocket, you can just place it in the middle this way, and then you leave this top part open, right? And then you sew 1, 2, 3, and that is all. So guys, this is the apron that we just made. You see, it's a very, very fast project, and you can make it in little time. All right, so please make yours and let me know what you feel about it. Till we see you again, please take care of yourself. Bye.